We set up DeepMind Health to put the UK's most advanced technology at the service of patients, nurses and doctors. We met with patients in Manchester and London to hear their ideas for our work and the role of technology in health and care.
The main thing I've taken about today is just how complex the situation is. I think DeepMind have brought everyone together with a very specific agenda about some very specific points, but the conversation has quickly gone into very, very broad-reaching questions about how healthcare is delivered and how DeepMind can be involved in all parts of that.
We think there's really practical ways in which patients and their carers can help us at DeepMind Health. For example, contributing to governance and scrutiny of the work we do, suggesting new project ideas and working with our designers on new solutions, and also contributing to really important discussions about issues like data security and privacy. So we're really excited about these events and the suggestions that we think patients and carers will be able to provide about our work going forward.
Patient-reported experiences and measures are as important as any other type of trial. It's the way to bring about change.
Right now at DeepMind Health, we're working on building tools to enable faster detection of deterioration and diagnosis of disease through the use of information to try and help improve the speed and accuracy with which doctors and healthcare professionals can deliver better care to patients, and understand how technology could better enable them to self-manage their conditions and what they'd like to see from us in that area.
We want to bring a much wider perspective in viewing, so potentially using social networks and using online resources to make sure that we're getting as wide a view from patients as is possible.
The benefits for patients and clinicians alike is immense, and obviously this is something that in the future we'll look back on it and say, God, why didn't we ever have that before?
I felt that DeepMind have been very willing to listen and be very proactive in how we want DeepMind to work for us.
They really got the best out of us, I felt. They got what we were saying, and I'm really, really positive about the prospects for the future from DeepMind Health.
It's the next step in the healthcare revolution, which is essential for the healthcare to survive and to continue.
I think a lot of great ideas and suggestions came out of this, and I really have super confidence that great things are going to happen. I think that it's the future and it's happening today.
We want to keep working with people who will develop, use and improve groundbreaking health projects. If you'd like to get involved, we'd love to hear from you. Email us at patients@deepmindhealth.com.